Article 3 Bill of Rights. Section number 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the law. Section 2. The right of the people to be secured in their person, house, paper, and effects against unreasonable research, and secure of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be involved, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall be issued except upon probable cause be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses. He may proceed in particularly describing and the place to be searched and the person or things to be cited. Section 3.1. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be involved except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety for other requirements otherwise or prescribed by law. 2. Any evidence obtained in violation of this or the preceding section shall be admissible for any purpose of any proceeding. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech and expression or for the press or the right for the people peacefully to assemble and petition the government of redress of grievance. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting and the free exercise thereof, the free exercise and enjoyment of religious, professional, and worship without discrimination or preference shall forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required for the exercise of civil or political rights. Section 6. The liberty of abode and the change of same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court. Neither shall be right to travel be impaired except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health, as may be provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matter of public concern shall be recognized. Access the official record and to document and paper print pertaining to official act, transcription or decision, as well as government research data used as basis of political development, shall be afforded the citizen object to such limitation as may be provided by law. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employed in the public and private sector, for from union, association, and society for purpose not contrary to law shall not be abridged. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensator. Section 10. No law imprinting the obligation for contract shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to court and quasi-judicial body and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of property. Section 12(1). Any person under investigation for the commission of the office shall have the rights to be informed of his right to remain silent and to have competent and independent counsel. Properly of his own choice. If the person cannot afford the service of counsel, he must be provided with one. This right cannot be waived except it written and in present of counsel. 2. No torture, force, violence, threat, intimidation, or any other mean which by till the free will shall be used against him. Secret detention, placed solitary, incommunicado, or other similar from the of detention are prohibited. 3. Any confession or admission obtained in violation of this section 17 hereof shall be inadmissible in evidence against him. 4. The law shall provide for penal and civil sectors for violation of this section, as well as compensators or the rehabilitation of victims of torture or similar parties and their families. Section 13. All persons except those charged with offense punishable by reclusion perpetua, when evidence is guilty is strong, shall before conviction be bailable by sufficient surety or be released on recognized as may be provided by law. The right of bail shall not be impaired other even when the privilege of the risk of habeas corpus is suspended. Associate poll shall not be required. Section 14(1). No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. 2. In all criminal prosecution, the accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary to provide, and shall enjoy the right of the heard by himself and counsel to be informed of the nature of and cause of the accusation against him, to have a speedily parties, impartial and public trial, and meet the witness face to face, and to have compulsorily processed to secure and attended the of witness of the production of evidence in his behalf, whoever after agreement trial may proceed, notwithstanding the absence of the accused provide that he has been duly notified, and his failure to appear is unjustifiable. Section 15. The privilege to risk or habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in case of invasion or rebellion when the public safety requires it. Section 16. All persons shall be the right to be speedily disposition of their case before all judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies. Section 17. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against him. Section 18.1. No person shall be detained solely by reason of the political beliefs and aspiration. 2. No involuntary servitude in any form shall exist except an punishment for a crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted. 19.1. Section 19.1. Excessive fines shall not be imposed, nor cruel, degrading or inhumanity punishment afflicted. Neither shall that penalty be imposed unless for compelling reason involving heinous crime. The Congress hereafter provide for it. Any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced to reclusion perpetua. 2. The employment of physical, psychological, or degrading punishment against any prisoner or detained, or the use of substandard or inadequate penalty facilities under subhuman conditions shall be detailed with the law. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for the of not paying of a full tax. Section 21. No person shall be twice put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense. If an act is punishment by the law, and an ordinance, conviction, or acquittal under neither shall constitute a bar or another prosecution for the same act. And Section 22. No ex post facto law or bail of attended shall be enacted.